planted our living Christmas tree out in the yard, and so far none of the critters have bothered it. Thank goodness. Gardening in the Southwest is such a challenge. One of the reasons I planted it here, you can see in the background, it's where we park our truck. So when this tree gets bigger and I'm sitting in my garden, which is behind me, I won't have to look at the truck. Sometimes you plant for the view, sometimes you plant to hide the view. I'm gonna spin you around real quick, and there's the garden looking pretty nice in the dawn. Yeah, I don't mind my hoses. You can see it laying through there. Fish pond. A lot of work still to be done. Winter in the Tucson garden. A lot of things have lost their leaves. Even my mesquite tree lost its